VLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel is an Excel formula that we use whenever we want to fetch a few data from a large data, like when we want to get some few information from a set of large information like this. So what we have here in this table is a sales report by about 100 different salespersons. So these 100 different salespersons has their names, the sales amounts that they made, the commission rates that they get after selling, and the commission amount. Now in this video we just want to find the commission for these 3 different salespersons. So when you have a situation like this, you don't have to start searching manually here to know them and start searching for the commission. That is when we use VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP in this instance is going to help us determine the commission rate without having to walk around the table. So let's get started. So to get the commission for Mary Williams, the first thing we have to do is that we have to come to this point here and start by typing our equality sign. So after typing your equality sign, the next thing you have to type is VLOOKUP. So when you type VLOOKUP, it will bring out this suggestion. Just click on it. So when it brings out this suggestion, now the first thing you will see here is the lookup value. Now lookup value here simply suggests the name of the person who you want to get his commission. So click here to select Mary Williams. So after selecting that, you have to click on comma, and then it will take you to the next argument, which says table array. Now table array means the original data from where you want to find the commission. So I'm going to select everything in this table here down to all of them. So after selecting all this, I'll just click on comma to separate it, and then I'll scroll up. So the next argument here means the column index. Now what you see here is the column 1, and column 1 contains the salesperson's name. Column 2 contains the sales amount. Column 3 contains the sales rate, and column 4 contains the commission. And what we are looking for is the commission for Mary Williams. So I'm going to type in 4, which suggests that it is in column 4. Then I'll enter my comma. Then the last thing I'll do here is that I will choose 4 so that it will give me the exact match. So after writing all this formula, just close the brackets and then hit on enter. You see that the commission for Mary Williams is 3,168, and if you check it here, this is Mary Williams and this is her commission, 3,168.5. Now to get for all these 2 remaining ones, all you just have to do is to use the autofill function. Just drag and drop it like this and it will be found. This one is Robert Gather, and then this is Robert Gather with a commission of 7,469, as you can see here, and the third person is Linda Rodriguez, and this is Linda Rodriguez, and this is her sales commission. So that is a practical example of VLOOKUP.